Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a Canadian homesteading channel, and from time to time we toss up the old maintenance videos. So I'm not sure if you guys follow the vlog or not, but I picked up a 2002 GSXR 1000. It was a swap, so it's like 1,000 components swapped into a 750 frame. That generation, like the 01s, 02, and 03, 600, 750s, and 1000s, like the components are really close. So I guess it's a big thing to move the 1000 engine and everything into a 750. Cheap insurance. For me, it's like $100 a month less, which is awesome. Insurance in Ontario for super bikes is just like, it's just insane. So the 750 is actually kind of manageable, so I went ahead with that, pulled the trigger on it. I drove all the way from Niagara Falls to Ottawa through the night, met up with Buddy. Nice fella. Told me the bike was a complete 1000 swap. Now that I've been looking at it, some stuff are 750 still, so you know, kind of an alarm right there. But I have taken the bike out for a test ride. I got a vlog on it a few weeks ago, and it rides fine, rides straight, which is great. It's leaking fork oil really bad. The front brake's got to get changed. The pad's got to go. There's some fairing damage and stuff like that, but pretty much it's going to be my winter project bike for 2019, 2020 kind of winter thing. So if you own that bike, you want to consider subscribing, because I'm really going to kind of tear it apart all the way through. I'm not going to open the engine up or anything crazy like that. The idea for this bike is, like, I paid $1,800 Canadian for it, and I really want to try and invest as little as possible, but you know, still making it look presentable. You know, I don't want to be driving a piece of shit down the highway, but I also don't want to buy brand new fairings and make it look, you know, spick and span, because at the end of the day it's an 02 and I only paid 18. You know, they're going for roughly 5,000 in the, you know, pristine condition with the same kilometers, 5,000 or 6,000. So, you know, I got a really good deal. If I can maybe pump like 500 bucks into this thing, I think I'd be way ahead of the game. So that's the plan anyways. Let's go ahead and take the camera off the tripod, and we'll do like a little bit of a 360 on the bike, and I can show you guys kind of what's wrong with the bike. Maybe you got some issues with the same year and you need a little video action to kind of get you going. Hopefully this little series will help you out. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here's the bike in all her glory. So let's go over the bad first. So the fork seals, they're apparently brand new. Pretty much brand new. The mechanic who put them in apparently didn't do a very good job. Both are leaking. The seller was saying to me, just, you know, take them apart and reseat them. I'm just better off getting new seals, new dust caps, you know, just to cover my ass, right? I don't want no problem. I was kind of budgeting on just buying all new fairings for this thing, but I think what I'm going to do is sand everything down. I'm going to make the repairs that need to be made, like on the, here's a little bit of a crack here. And then I'm going to prime it and paint it. I like the white look. I think I'll keep it white. Gonna have to change the front brakes because I believe they're going to be pooched with the fork oil. The tank actually is in great shape cosmetically. The inside, unfortunately, yeah, it's really hard to pick it up on the camera, but I'm looking down into her and yeah, she's no good. But yeah, right away I think I'm going to drain this fuel. I'm going to use the vinegar trick with the BBs, or I got a whole bunch of small carriage bolts and stuff. I'm going to throw in the tank, do the old shakeroo, pour it out, and just fill it up with premium. I'm going to take the pump apart. There's actually a little sediment filter on the bottom. I imagine that is not looking too good. So I'm going to take that apart there, give it a cleaning, probably just replace it. Probably replace a couple of the O-rings on the for the seals on the pump. And then that should cover the tank. And the tank I'm going to keep like the same Suzuki color. This is all original. And it's in good shape. There's no dings or nothing like that. You know, you got the odd scratch here, but it's looking pretty sharp. Like I was saying in the vlog, it's definitely been down on pretty much all sides. end bars here, the vibration dampening bars are bent. Thankfully though, I was looking at it and the threads inside of the handlebars are still good. So that is awesome. So I can go ahead and replace those if I want, but I think they're looking okay. I didn't even realize this, but the brake lever, the front brake lever, snapped off altogether. Nice sharp edge there, so it's gonna get new clutch and brake levers. And then, I mean, look at this bar end. She is pooched, but like I said, it rotates, which is great. So now the rear tail section, unfortunately this bike was used on the drag strip. Doesn't leak oil or nothing like that, but it was used for drag, so I've already went ahead and taken some of the stuff apart. The rear tail section's been modified. It's been modified, and you can see sanded down. I think this is where it bolts in. I don't know nothing about the drag strip, so anyways, hopefully that'll pass safety. I mean, everything looks straight, the subframe anyways. The underbelly tail section here is all cracked, but it's still in good condition, you know, overall. I've just got to do some fiberglass patchwork there. That's no worries. The exhaust, stock titanium exhaust, it's in really good shape. But I may put a slip on if I can find something for cheap, just to kind of save some weight. I may do a power commander if I can get one for cheap. Other than that, yeah, just cosmetics, the tank, the forks. Another thing I saw on the fairings is these Ram Air Ducts here. They actually hold the side fairing on with a tab here. You know, plastic weld my own tab on there. Just build one, I guess. I was looking at this, and I just, you know, looking at this, I don't know if the seal is, I think the seal's gone on this tab here. I'm just gonna remove that and just get the twist off type, you know, like the race type. That way I don't have to worry about keys and all that crap. And they're about 100 bucks Canadian, but this thing's like, he's done. You know what I mean? What else? Oh, the stator cover. You know, it's also been down on the left side. A little bit of TLC there. You know, I'll go ahead, I'll change all the brake fluid, the coolant, obviously the engine. Yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much it to get this thing 100% again. Like I said, I'm going to be setting it up for a kind of like a sport touring bike, so I may look at getting some rear sets, like I'll lower them and move them back, and just to give me some more leg room. I may raise the handlebars. You know, that's expensive though. By the time you get the bar raisers and extend all your cables, you know, you're looking at several $100 bucks. So, oh yeah, and the last thing is the left or right turn signal. I can't remember. I think it's the left. LED's burnt out. So those are those Hot Bodies flush mount turn signals, which I think look pretty sharp. And then what else? Yeah, just relocate the license plate underneath the undertail there for the old highway cameras, and pretty much we're good to go. I may look at a HID headlight conversion. I don't know if they exist for the O2s or not. I like having a lot of light because I do a lot of really early riding to get to work and stuff like that, so any extra light is definitely welcomed. Alright, so that's the bike in a little bit of a nutshell there. I just wanted to do a little intro for the project series, kind of going over what's going to be changed over on the bike and fixed up. So yeah, like I was saying, if you own this model or a year before or after, consider subscribing. I'm going to have a whole pile of really good detailed how-tos on these modifications and slash repairs. A lot of the stuff I haven't done before, like I've never ever painted anything other than plasti dip, which is like really anybody can do. That's going to be a lot of fun. And yeah, if you just want to join me on the journey, consider subscribing. And yeah, we'll get after it. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.